In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Google Forms, making it unique and visually appealing in just a few minutes. This guide will take you through each step from accessing Google Forms to adding personalized headers and fonts. Let's dive right in. First off, head over to Google Drive. You can do this by typing Google Drive into your web browser and clicking on the first search result. Once you've landed on your Google Drive homepage, look for the New button, usually located in the upper left corner of the page. It's hard to miss, go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Here, you want to navigate your way to Google Forms and click on it. Don't worry if it takes a moment to load, Google Forms will open up a new tab to get you started. Once there, you'll have an option to choose a blank form. This is the canvas for your customization project, so go ahead and click on Blank Form. With your blank form now open, the next thing you'll want to do is give your form a name. This is an important step because it sets the context for anyone who's going to fill it out. Click where it says Untitled Form at the top and type in whatever you'd like to name your form. Make it concise and clear, something that reflects the content or purpose of the form. Now let's move on to making your form visually appealing. Look for the palette icon, usually near the top of your screen. Click on it and you'll see customization options pop up. You can start with fonts. This is where you can express a bit of personality. Choose a font type that suits your form and perhaps reflects the tone you want to set, whether that's formal or playful. You also have the option to adjust the font size to ensure readability. Once you're satisfied with the font, consider changing the background color. This simple change can make a big difference. Select a color that complements your theme or branding. The palette offers various shades, so pick one that feels right for your form. Experiment with different colors until you find one that feels just right. Next, you may want to personalize the form further by adding a header image. Click on Choose Image, browse through the available options or upload your own, and select one that best represents the form's purpose. Once selected, simply click Insert to add this personal touch to your header. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you now have a beautifully customized Google form that stands out. Not only does it look great, but it's also tailored to fit your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating aesthetically pleasing Google Forms that your audience will love.